What's up guys, it's Avatar here from Cowboys Customs. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be explaining to you why your 2022 Toyota Tacoma needs a level kit. Yo! Typically, most brand new trucks from the factory come with 2 inches higher in the rear so it can handle all the loading capacity. But unfortunately, that does restrict the size of what size tire you can put on the front without rubbing. All right, now if you come on over here, you can see with this size tire right here, which is a 285/55/20, might have to do a little bit of trimming after we install the level kit, but nothing crazy. So it seems like in this case, folks, size does matter. And right now, guys, at Cowboys Customs, we have 16 Toyota Tacomas from one great private client, all getting the same level kit setup with the same size wheel and tire, and I can't wait for you guys to check them out. All right, now guys, it's time to see what this level kit consists of. Today we have a 2.5-inch DWA leveling kit. It comes with the hardware bolts, and it comes with a 2.5-inch spacer. As you can see, I'm gonna get it all out for you. So these right here are just the strut spacers. They bolt right on top of the strut, so it's nice, easy to work with, and you still have that good factory ride at the end of the day. So nothing is being disrupted, and it really cuts out a lot of that cutting that we might have to do for that rubbing on the wheel. So with these spacers right here, they're nice, heavy duty, good quality spacers. You always have the nice, comfortable ride. You don't feel any shaking. Whenever you hit a pothole or whenever you hit a good speed bump, these will feel good. You're not gonna feel like you're hitting a rock 90% of the time like a lot of other level kits do. And this is the exact kit that will be going on all 16 Toyota Tacomas here at Cowboys Customs. Now I'm gonna take you guys out to the back to show you a truck with these installed, and I'm gonna have David take you out back there and explain it.
All right, come on, let me show you exactly what this level kit looks like on these Tacomas. All right, so 2.5-inch level goes on top of the factory strut. Everything else pretty much stays the same, no extensions needed or anything like that. What this does is it allows you to put a bigger wheel and tire on it. What we're doing here is 20/10 with the 285/55/20 amp tire.
Now it's finally time to show you guys the finished product, so I'm gonna take you out back to show you one of the trucks. So today, as you guys can see, this 2022 Tacoma is rocking the 2 craze wheels on some 285/55 20-inch all-terrain AMP tires. As you guys can see right here, I mentioned the cutting earlier. It's very slight, minor cutting right here just on the plastic valance. Compared to this one right here, if you come over here and you look, there's no trimming at all, but there's not much of a big difference. And this is a setup I highly recommend because there's minor trimming only on the plastic valance, nothing on that brand new factory bumper. You see that it's sitting more aggressive with those nice tires on them compared to this bone stock one right here. And if you have a 2022 Toyota Tacoma or even any other year, you don't want this kind of look. You want this mean, aggressive look. This look right here will get all the attention. Nice, aggressive, mean stance. And if you want it, come by to Cowboys Customs. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video over here at Cowboys Customs. Out. Hydraulics on that bad boy.